Okay, I am here in the home page of iExcel under the student account. There are a few steps to access the skill plan, and I want to show you that right now. So you're going to go up to the tab, Skill Plans, and scroll to the bottom of the short list under Test Prep. You're going to click on NWEA Map Growth, K-2. All right, so this is where it might get a little sticky. When you get to this skill plan, the student will have to click See Your Personal Plan. This is just kind of a general listing right here. But once you click on See Your Personal Plan, then you'll see your student's name. And it starts with math. Okay, so the student can come in and choose any activity to work on, and that is tied directly with their MAP score. So it is things that they should be able to do. That's going to be review, but not super easy at the same time. To get to reading, if they could jump over here to the menu. All right, and you can see it'll start with foundational skills, phonics, and word recognition. But if you wanted more informational text, like your student needs more practice with that, more exposure, you can just scroll down. It's a lot of writing here, and here it is, literature and informational text, and you can see using key details to determine the main idea is an activity that's been designated according to this particular student's wristband. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.